Hello, Pabnasab International Research Center. Anyone can research here for updating his or her career or any subject development. I am scientist engineer Muhammad Abul Fazol. I'll discuss about HTML and CSS. HTML is a basic things for creating website and software. This is website pabnasab.com www.pabnasab.com. This is a website. This website has header. This is called header. This is called menu bar. This is called menu bar. This is called slideshow. This is called content. This is content. This is content title. This is content. This is here left side. This is right side, and this is main content. This is main content, and this is footer. This website made by Joomla CMS. That is very easy way for creating website and software by this CMS. Here menu item, here outsourcing menu, domain, hosting, and it has drop down menu. Now I will discuss about HTML and CSS. So I have to go Sublime text. So I will search the apps Sublime text. Sublime text. Anyone can install from his computer. It is free for everyone. Anyone can download from internet by Google search. Then anyone can install Sublime text. It is very good for editor. We can edit any type of technology code. Now this is a HTML page. We have discussed my first part video. Now I will create a full website with a table. So this is the second part of video, HTML and CSS. Anyone can learn about HTML and CSS. So I have delete table. Now HTML table. I will create a full website by table, HTML table. That is very easy for any student. It is very easy for new student who is new. He or she is learning easily the HTML and CSS. So this is table tag, this is starting tag table, and this is in tag table. Now in table I will take row tag tr and int row tag tr, and first this is called first row. I will take td okay. This is header, this is a header, this is header, this is header in website. Okay, now I will take second row tr and take column td. This is menu bar, this is menu bar. Okay, and I will took slideshow third row, this is row, this is column. Okay, next I will take row, this is slideshow column, this is called slideshow, this is called slideshow. Next I will take column, as okay, this is left side column and td column, this is middle or center column, and td, this is called right side, okay, close, okay. This is called main body. So I will take next row and in column td column here. Okay, I will take footer. Okay, this is called footer. Okay, close table, this is table, close. Okay. Row table wide 100%. Okay, table wide 100%, and save. Okay, save. Next we have view the phrase index dot html. Okay, this is index. Okay, এখন now we will give border. This is a PubnaSoft website, PubnaSoft International Research Center. This is a website. This website made by Joomla CMS. Anyone can follow this website for making HTML and CSS website. Okay, go Sublime text. Now we will give border, table border, so we can indicate the all things. Next, go index.html. Okay, this is header, this is menu bar, this is called slideshow, this is left, center and right. Okay, now I can take a table wide 100%. Okay, and TD wide 100%. Okay, so we can see, refresh the index.html. Okay, TD 100%. Or TD 100%. Okay, this is, we can delete. Okay, refresh. Okay, all this is header, this is menu bar, this is slideshow, this is left side node, it main body. This is what main body. This is part main body. This is called main body. Okay, this is called main body. Okay, okay, now we will give height wide 100% wide and height, header height 100 pixel. Okay, now see 100 pixel height. Okay, menu bar, menu bar height, will give menu bar height 30 pixel. Okay, 30 pixel. Okay, refresh index.html. Okay, 30 pixel. Slideshow will give slideshow height 500 pixel. 500 pixel. Okay, slideshow pixel 500 pixel height. Then body height 1000 pixel, and footer height 100 pixel. Okay, now we can refresh index.html. Okay, this is frame. I have created the frame by HTML and CSS. This is header, and this is menu bar. This is called slideshow, and this is called main body or main content, and this is called footer. Okay, now I will change colors, BG color yellow, BG color yellow. Okay, BG color yellow. This is header color, difference from other frame. This is header frame, this is menu bar frame, this is slideshow frame, and this is called main body. Okay, all frame different color. So this is menu bar is different color, BG color red. Okay, BG color red, and slideshow BG color green, and main body color BG color, main body color cyan, and footer color BG color green. Okay, save, then refresh. Okay, all background color change, We can create website by HTML this way. Okay, this is second part, and please give me like and subscribe me for free video. Please give me like and subscribe me for free video, for free learning video.